So, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Ankit. So, in this session, we will discuss about how we can create React app using the Vite package instead of create React app. So, let's start. So, last video we actually discussed about the new some framework or the some npm package that we can use in replacement of the create react app, right? So here in the first session I will discuss about the Vite.js. With using Vite.js you can use it in replace of create react app to create a simple React application. So it will create a simple React application uh, required every folder of files that we will needed to create a scratch React application. So it will create all the things that we created using the create React app command. So we have to first install it using the npm yarn npm or bun command. You can use anyone, and you have to use npm or npx command. Simply npm create Vite at the rate latest, then application name. Here we have to define that which type of template you want to use. It means with the help of template we can determine or Vite can determine which type of application you want to create. So it will create the application or it will create all the files and folder structure for that particular template that you will define here with the help of the hyphen hyphen template command. Here it gives the view. So it means Void will understand that you want to create application for the Vue.js. Okay, so if you want to create a React application instead of Vue with the template, we have to give the React so that White will understand that you want to create a simple React application. If you want to React with using the TypeScript, you have to give the command React-TS. So, so here, open git bash here, and here I will create command. So with using npm or npx. So I'm using npx create Vite at the rate latest, then application name. So mm, my app using Vite JS hyphen hyphen template. So what template we can give? React hyphen TS. So React hyphen TS we can give. So React hyphen TS. Press enter. So it will create a simple or sample application using this command error console log bound. Okay. So if you want to create Vite, so I think we have to give create hyphen Vite. Okay, right. Or if you want to npm, you can directly use the npm create space Vite. If you want to npx, you have to give create hyphen Vite. So here, so it will not run the code and will not use the npm install by default. So it actually created a folder my app using Vite, and we have to do npm install explicitly. Then to start the application, we have to run the command npm run dev. So I am closing it. So here you can see that a folder has been created, my app using Vite. So right clicking and open with code. So here you can see all structure has been created by the Vite.js npm package. So here you can the same in the asset folder we have the svg file means all the images files, app.css file, app.tsx file, whatever actually created by the create react itself, create react app itself. So all these files has been created index.css, main.tsx. Right, this is the internal files for the white configuration. This is for the ESLint getignore file index.html. It is not in public folder. Public folder only the contains the SVG files. Okay, in the create react app, it generated in the public folder inside the here we have the package.json create react app also uh, install the execute the command npm install. So after creation of the application, we have to not execute the npm install command explicitly, but here we have to execute the command. That is white config.ts file tsnode.json. So here first we have to execute command npm install. npm install. So now you can see the 41 packages has been added. So so for running the application, we have to npm run build npm run dev command to run the application. So you can see that the same you can see that the white application has is running now. So this is the default. So likewise here you can remove everything. So now you can say the application has been updated. So this is the way you can create a simple React application using the Vite instead of the create React app. So uh, this is the session for the Vite. If you want to use the Next.js to create a simple React application, if you want to use Next.js, you can watch my video that is related to the Next.js. So I have already created a Next.js videos that uh, first I have created two videos, right? So first one is the Next.js introduction and second one is the TypeScript setup and create a simple Next.js application. So you can refer these videos, right? So that's it from this video. Uh, we we will meet in the next video. So bye.